So today I wanted to share with you something that could be really, really beneficial for your business. So I was talking with my client the other day and we were thinking about what could we promote? Let's do a little flash sale. Why not bring some extra money in? And she was like, yeah, why not? So I had a look at what products she already had built that we weren't promoting anymore. And what we found was she created, it was a 21-day boot camp. She created a 21-day boot camp over a year ago. She did it live, sold it live, and then sort of just left it and forgot about it. So I said, well, it's a ready-made product that we could sell. Why don't we just put it on offer for 24 hours and see what happens? I'll write 3 emails, we'll send it to the list, and let's see what happens. So that is exactly what we did. So basically, step 1, I revamped the sales page just a little bit because we hadn't touched it since we did it live. So we revamped that sales page a little bit. We added on a flashing GIF that said flash sale. Then what we did was I wrote 3 emails. That was it. 3 emails. I wrote 1 to go out in the morning. I wrote 1 to go out in the afternoon. And I wrote 1 to go out in the evening to remind them that it was ending soon. And that was it. We scheduled them in active campaign to the email list. Boom, 9:30, first email went out. And I want to show you what happened. Okay, so this is my tracking software that I use to track my clients' emails, opt-ins, and everything else. So as you can see, I've set this for yesterday up here on the top right-hand corner, January the 14th to today. As you can see, there's no traffic being sent. All these icons around here show different icons that we were sending traffic to this page before, but we haven't sent any traffic to it again. If we just zoom in a little bit for you, you can see there's numbers underneath here. So there's 6 people went on that page. You can see 3 people went on that page and 38 people landed on that page. So if we look down here, it shows you the flow of traffic and where people have come from. So we can track exactly how many people came from which email and then eventually purchased. So we can see that we had a total of 38 sales. 36 came from the flash sale. 1 of those failed and 3 came from this sale. So basically we had a timer on this page, and at midnight last night, if anybody went to this page, they would get automatically diverted over to this page, the regular sales page, which had the regular price on. And what happened was 3 people actually purchased from just going to the regular page. So they bought it at the regular price. So down here we can see from email 1, so these are only sales. So email 1, we got 23 sales. Email 2, so that one went out 9:30 in the morning. Email 2, we got 12 sales. That one went out, I think it was about 3:30, 4:30 in the afternoon, something like that. Email 3, 11 people purchased, and that went out, I want to say maybe 8:30 at night last night. And that was a basic email saying time's running out. So, and it had a countdown timer in number 11, counting down the time to when it was running out. Then, so they went to the page, they purchased, and so we had 38 sales. So from 3 emails, that was all we did. There was absolutely no ad spend on this. We got 38 sales. So let's look into the numbers on that one. Okay, so let's look at the numbers. So this was a low ticket offer. It was only £14. Originally, we were selling it at 47, 27, and there was a promotion you could get it for 21. So we decided £14, no-brainer offer, low ticket offer. send it to the list, see what happens. Okay, so let's look at the email. So email 1 did £128. Email 2 did £112. And email 3 did £250. So that was a total of £490. But then we also had the 3 sales that purchased the extra because they ordered it after the time had run out. So it shows that the third email brought in the most money. So we had a total sales of £559. Now, this was just off the back of 3 emails and 0 ad spend. So it was a product that was already created. The landing page was already created. It was just a case of loading the 3, me writing the emails, loading them into ActiveCampaign, scheduling them, and getting them sent. That is the beauty of having an email list. It's a way where you could just print money, because if your email list is engaged and you send them the irresistible offer that they can't deny is a good offer, they will buy. So from one day, £559 is a really good return, seeing as we had 0 ad spend. So that's why it's vitally important that I say to people, you need to build your email list, because you can just go out to your list. If you just need some money someday, you might be running low on sales, but if you know that you can just send an offer to your email list and it's going to bring you in money, it is absolute gold. So key takeaways: look at your business. What products have you got that you've already created, that you sold in the past and you've sort of forgot about? They're sat there doing nothing. Why not put them on a flash sale, 24 hours at a reduced price? It doesn't matter what price you're selling it at. It's sat there doing nothing anyway. It's making 0 money. So you might as well put it on offer for one day just to make some money. It's an easy way to print your own money. So find out what you've got lying around in your product line. What can you promote? Write 3 emails. Make sure you have a countdown timer in your emails, countdown timer on your landing page where they're going to buy. And make sure, see, some people would have said send 3 emails in one day. Oh, that's too many. But the figures show if we'd have only sent the 1 email saying about the flash sale, we'd have only made £300. And if we'd only have sent 2 emails, we would have only made £490. So, no, it's not right, is it? Yeah, £490. So 3 emails to the list. It didn't annoy anybody. We didn't get any unsubscribes. And the conversion rate was 26.9%, which is absolutely fantastic. So I wanted to share that with you. So if you've got any products, like information products lying around your business, put them on a flash sale, 24 hours, write 3 emails, send it to the list, and see what happens. What have you got to lose? If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on emails, funnels, chat, and automation. Hope you enjoyed this. Comment below with your thoughts. Are you going to go give it a try? Catch you later.